I don't know if this is going to capture a good picture or not, but this is freaking insane. Look at this. The Volvo is like almost completely covered. Our neighbor, last night he was trying to like put a dent in it, but you can see it's covered already. In my car, well, I'll go downstairs and capture that. Okay, so this is the backyard now. I took pictures of this for the December storm, and I know we already had like an inch of snow from last time, but this is way more than that, and it's still supposed to snow for another 12 hours. This is insane, or 8 hours, sorry. Peanut, you take the opportunity to drink, huh? The dogs aren't even messing with this stuff. Holy crap, look at... That's insane. Oh my god, look at my car! Oh my god. Oh wow. And it's windy too. The flag's blowing. And then this is the backyard. It doesn't look as dramatic because Holly and Peanut have been out in it, but they really don't want to mess with it. They stay underneath the deck, underneath the overhang. But you can see there's what's used to be a tree in the corner, a fern tree, is totally like fallen over from the weight of it, of the snow. Holly, go play.